Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Indicator Vault. In this video, we'll feature the new Smooth Trend Finder indicator for TradingView. What this means is we'll look at how to use the indicator and a simple profitable strategy that everyone should be trading. Let's look at an example on the Euro USD. Using the daily time frame, the market was in a strong downtrend and started forming higher highs and higher lows, meaning we have changed from a downtrend to a uptrend. The smooth trend filter is able to give us an accurate entry and also take profit and stop loss levels that are determined by the ATR or average true range. This makes it easy to use and so simple, it's perfect for beginners. As you can see, the buy signal that there is a potential uptrend happening in the market. You will see the stop loss and take profit levels are determined by the indicator. So all you have to do is enter the trade. Then you can either move your stop loss to break even and use a trailing stop for your profits, or you could potentially wait for an exit signal from the smooth trend filter, telling you the trend is changing by using its proprietary triple confirmation algorithm. What all of this means is less false signals for the trade and more profits. Next, let's take a look at the settings for the Smooth Trend Finder. The Smooth Trend Finder is based on a triple confirmation algorithm. Under the settings, you can adjust the fast and slow periods and also the easy to use stop loss and take profit levels that are determined by a coefficient of the ATR. The coefficient for these levels can also be adjusted. When looking at the styling, it gives you an opportunity to look at the individual aspects of the triple confirmation algorithm. The first and the second steps are to check the latest close prices surpasses the highest high or lowest lows in both short and long periods. To see this, simply select the candle option under your styling. The third step is to examine the current market condition to finally predict the next move. For this, it uses the BLT fast and short. With the 3-step verification, Smooth Trend Finder becomes super accurate in trend detection. One of my favorite parts is that it also filters out sideways market movement. Let's look at an example. As you can see, the black spaces between the red and green shows a sideways trend. This will save you time by helping you identify sideways market in the moment. The last option is to simply enable the buy or sell arrows or alerts. This makes it very simple to use and keeps your chart nice and clean. As you see on the GBP USD chart, that we made a double bottom with two large wicks that entered this zone. We have two confirmation candles at the bottom showing us there could potentially be a reversal from this double bottom. If we had our take profit and stop loss according to the levels provided by the indicator, it shows a 1 to 1.91 risk to reward ratio, which is very healthy for trading. By using the indicator and the arrows, it is very simple to identify entries in the market. You can also change the colors of your arrows and the different parts of the Smooth Trend Finder to build your own trading strategy. For example, changing the color and occupancy of the different zones might make it easier to identify, and this would help you identify potential buy and sell zones. Remember, using this on multiple time frames could potentially increase your accuracy and give you both entry and exit points in the market. It also provides you with a take profit and stop loss level. Next, we are going to take a look at the Australian dollar, United States dollar this time. I'm going to combine the indicator with one other indicator to build a profitable strategy. Today's strategy, we are going to use a moving average in an exponential style or method at a 200 length. And I have changed the color to red and the visibility thickness higher so it's easier to see. This strategy is going to also only use the buy and the sell arrows. For this reason, under your styling, you only have to select the up and down arrows, which are your entry signals for the strategy. I recommend changing your up arrow to green and your down arrow to red. By doing this, the simple strategy is easy to use, even for beginners. This strategy has a few confirmations, and the first being price needs to either be above the moving average or above or below the moving average. When price is below the moving average, you're only looking for sells. And when price is majority above the moving average, you're only looking for buys. As you will see, price approaches this level, which is the 200 EMA, and rejects off this zone. We are looking for a continuation signal in the downtrend. The smooth trend filter gives us a entry sell signal where we can use now the stop loss and the take profit levels provided by it to enter the trade. Recommended stop loss would be above the 200 EMA, and the take profit aim for more than 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. By doing this, the simple strategy aligns you with a trend following momentum. You'll see that there are multiple rejections of the 200 EMA as it works as a floating support and resistance level. After a couple of bars, we see that our trade hits the take profit level. So this is an example for the sell side, and next we are going to look at a buy example. Again, if the majority of the candles are above the 200 EMA, we are looking for buy signals, and the opposite when the majority of the candles are below the 200 exponential moving average. In this example, price pulled back to the 200 EMA, and the smooth trend finder gave us a buy alert. It also gives you the stop loss and take profit levels, so you just simply need to enter your trade. The other way of using the indicator is to wait for a opposite signal to occur in the market before you exit. That way you are able to hold the trade for much longer because the triple confirmation algorithm provides you with less false signals. It is so effective that you only get notifications of the highest probability trade setups. So what we are doing in this example is we've set the take profit and stop loss at a 1 to 3.34 risk to reward ratio. And even though you had to hold the trade for multiple bars, there was no opposite signal in the market, and you could have potentially dragged your stop loss into the green and up along with the price. This is a fantastic example of price rejecting away from the 200 ENA and joining a trend continuation trade. By doing this, you are aligning yourself with the smart money. You'll see that the trend aided at a level that I will mark with yellow. However, if we were to have held the trade for longer, we could have waited until we had an exit signal. Price continued to trend in our direction, and you could have secured additional profits on our Tesla on the daily chart. Then we had an exit signal giving you the opportunity to close your trade. This means you can hold your trades for longer and get bigger profits. I hope that this indicator helps in your trading and that you learned something new from the trades today. Until next time, happy trading. Bye.